In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook Calendar to Notion. We'll walk through where this lives inside Notion and what you need to know before you connect it, so by the end you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect. First, open a browser and go to Notion Sandes. You can do this in the web app or the desktop app. The menus are the same. Make sure you're in the workspace where you want the connection to live, since connections are tied to a specific workspace, not just a single page. Next, look to the very top left of Notion. You'll see the workspace switcher. Usually it shows your workspace name or logo. Click that to open the workspace menu. This is where you access everything related to your workspace, including members, billing, and settings. From that menu, click Settings. In some versions it may say Settings and Members. That's the correct place. This opens a new window or panel with a sidebar on the left. We'll use that sidebar to get to Notion's official integrations. In the Settings sidebar, click Connections. Connections are Notion's built-in integrations that you can manage centrally, which is helpful for admins and anyone who wants a clean, secure link between tools. This page lists what's already connected and lets you discover more. Now click Explore. This takes you to Notion's catalog of available connections. Think of it like an app directory where you can browse, search, and learn what each integration does. In the Explore view, find Outlook and click it. The search bar is the fastest way. Just type Outlook and look for Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Clicking it opens the details page so you can see what the connector can do and what permissions it needs. Here's the key thing to know. This connector is only available on the Enterprise plan. That means if your workspace is on a personal, plus, or business plan, you'll see a notice and won't be able to complete the connection from here. If you're part of an organization that uses Notion Enterprise, your workspace admin can enable the Outlook Calendar connection and manage permissions. If you're unsure which plan you're on, you can check your plan details in the same settings area or ask your workspace admin for confirmation. To recap the path, Notion. So open your workspace menu in the top left, go to Settings, then Connections, open Explore, search for Outlook, and select Microsoft Outlook Calendar. From there, availability depends on your plan, with the connector limited to Enterprise. That's it. You now know exactly where Outlook Calendar lives inside Notion and the requirements to use it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.